Alright guys, real quick, before we get into the video, I want to give a huge shout out to Omar at Rowdy House. He's the one doing all the custom work that we'll be seeing in this video on my 1976 Shovelhead. He's been working hard for some years now and puts out nothing but quality work. The biggest thing I appreciate about this fool is that, one, the quality of work that he puts out. Two, the communication skills that he has, because I can't tell you how many times I've put my bikes into shops and their communication is just not there. And with Omar, you know, he gives you updates on the weekly, you know, what's happening, when it's happening, what parts you need, you know, and so forth. And lastly, I could say about this fool is that, you know, he has passion for the culture, he has passion for choppers, and the knowledge that he's obtained over the years is just out of there. I told him from the beginning, I was like, hey man, I put my bike in your shop. You know, when I get off of work, some days I want to learn, get hands-on. You think that'd be cool? Like, you think you could teach me? And Omar was like more willing. He was like, yeah, man, I'll do it. Like, you know, just come by the shop and I'll tell you what to do, and you get hands-on. You learn that way. So I really appreciate that. He just taught me a lot about, you know, my bike in general. You know, I can ask him anything, and he's got the answer for it if it's about choppers. You know what I mean? So yeah, man, located in Corpus Christi, Texas. Go follow him on the Instagram at Rowdy House. I think it's Rowdy House Customs or Rowdy House. He's got a Facebook, and I believe he's got a YouTube as well, so go check out his YouTube. What's funny about these mid controls, these Frisco Mid Controls, is at first I thought they were regular mids, like on a Sportster or whatever. And I brought them into the shop to Omar, and I was like, hey Omar, check out these sick mid controls I got. And he was like, bro, you understand those are high mids, right? And I was like, no way. He was like, yeah bro, those are high mids. I was like, oh man, I'm gonna be cramping left and right, super uncomfortable. I was like, I'm gonna have to do yoga every day, 24/7. Blah blah blah. But after we installed them, you know, I looked at them. I really loved the concept of the brake cylinder, super simple setup. The pegs were nicely done. You know, I just love the look of them. The stance is what got me. Like, I'm super stoked to ride it. The only thing is I'm kind of nervous to ride it because, one, I never rode with the foot clutch, and two, they're super high mid, so I don't want to be riding down the street and then boom, got a freaking cramp in my hip. You know what I mean? But either way, we're going to rip, we're going to enjoy them, and shout out to Main Drive Cycles for this amazing kit. So the kit came with a clutch shift linkage, but I wanted to run the chain because it gives it like that tough guy look, and it's just rad. And then Omar right here welded in a stop so it doesn't go backwards. It has a stopping point on it, so that's what you guys see right there. But anyways, guys, this is just a fast run through update on what Omar and I did to the bike. Quick update. If you guys have any questions on what Omar and I did throughout this video, or you know, any questions at all about what's on this bike, just feel free to ask, comment, like, and subscribe. I'll probably put out a more detailed update video soon when it's going down the street, when I'm cruising it and whatnot. But until then, peace.